Mrs Maharashtra, the Empress.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs Megha Kendrekar from Pune, a proud finalist of Mrs Maharashtra 2025 Season 9 by Diva Pageants. I have always believed that if you dream big and give your best every day, the right path finds you, and the path that led me to the Diva Pageants. Diva Pageant is a platform that celebrates women beyond labels, whether she is professional, a homemaker, or a mother. I joined this platform to discover my true potential and explore my new horizons. My experience so far with Diva Pageants has been empowering and transformational. Every rehearsal, every session during our grooming days has helped me to discover a new side of myself. From ramp walk to stage presence has been a joy, and these memories will remain with me forever. I'm sincerely grateful to Carlson and Anjana ma'am for their mentorship and guidance. They didn't just prepare me for the stage, but helped me to embrace myself as a queen in real life too. Regardless the final outcome, the confidence, learning, and friendship I have gained are my biggest rewards. Thank you, Diva Pageant, for the wonderful and empowering experience.
आत्मविश्वासाचे पत्र आत्मसात कर जीवनात यशाचा मंत्र इतिहासाला करायला लावून चर्चा तुझी सर्वत्र जगाच्या रंगमंचावर गाजव तुझे पात्र आयुष्याच्या वेगवेगळ्या रंगांना करून एकत्र तू रंगव तुझ्या यशस्वी आयुष्याचे सुंदर चित्र. आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे आज मैं आगे जमाना है पीछे टेल मी ओ खुदा अब मैं क्या करूं चलूं सीधी के उल्टी चलूं.
आई, आज टीचरने आमच्या स्वप्नांबद्दल विचारलं. मी खूप विचार केला पण उमजेना नेमके कोणत्या क्षेत्रात मला यश मिळेल आणि माझं आयुष्य उजळेल.
बाळा, कोणताही व्यवसाय सत्यनिष्ठेने पार पाडलास तर त्याचे कीर्तिमुकुट तुला नक्कीच प्राप्त होईल आणि तुझ्या प्रयत्नामुळे पूर्ण विश्वावर तो झळाळत राहील. करशील संकल्प?
हो आई, नक्कीच. मी स्वप्न पाहीन, धाडस करीन आणि चमकून उठीन.
Stage is officially set on fire.
what you must do. Good evening. Megha Kendrekar is my name. The education field kept me ahead of the game. I am a proud electronics and telecom engineer graduate. My 2 kids teach me to honor every day. Dance is my expression of joy and creativity. Performing at dance shows showcases my positivity. A woman can reinvent herself at any stage of life. Experience has showcased me into more than just a wife.
How about that? Just a mic. Thank you. Wonderful.
Hi. So you're looking amazing again.
Thank you.
If you have to describe a Maharashtrian woman in 3 words, what would they be and why?
आम्हा महाराष्ट्रीयन स्त्रियांना जर 3 शब्दांमध्ये वर्णन करायचं असेल तर ते 3 शब्द आहेत मधुर, धारदार आणि ठसकेबाज. पुरणपोळीची गोडी पोटात, सोलकडीची धारदार विचारात आणि कोल्हापूरची मिरचीची ज्वाला मनात. अशी असते महाराष्ट्रीयन स्त्री, जी संस्कारांनी नटलेली आणि सामर्थ्यांनी उजळलेली.
Yes, great answer.
पूरा वेजिटेबल पुलाव बना दिया आपने यहाँ पे. But I love the answer. I love the answer. Mrs Maharashtra 2025 season 9. The 4th position in the gold category goes to Megha Kendrekar.
Mrs Maharashtra, the Empress.